the row, my IoT invention, which is called BioSync Monitor Watch.
Name of your IoT invention. So, my IoT invention is called BioSync Monitor Watch. Then, what problem does it solve? So, the term BioSync Monitor Watch appears to refer general smartwatch capabilities within broader context of biosignal monitoring research and commercial applications, rather than a specific, unique product. Smartwatches in general solve several problems related to health monitoring and data management. So, what sensor will it use? So, sensors found in health monitoring smartwatches and descriptions of relevant projects, including body sync. A BioSync monitor watch would typically use of the following: accelerometer, heart rate monitor, oximeter, electrocardiogram sensor, temperature sensor, gyroscope, barometer or altimeter, bioimpedance or GSR sensor, and sweat or electrolyte sensor. And the last one is non-invasive glucose sensor. What data will it collect and how it will be processed? So, BioSync Monitor Watch appears to be a concept of or research-based device, and its data collection and processing methods are described in research related to patient monitoring system, rather than a single commercial product with a universal specification. Based on the available information regarding this research system, the data collected and processing typically involve the following. Data collected: the watch primarily collects psychological data using various sensors. So, vital signs, biometric measurements, sleep patterns, location, patient-reported data, and device status or status. What action will the device perform automatically? So, BioSync Monitor Watch automatically performs range of actions focused on continuous health monitoring and data recording. Now, here is the face of my invention. This is what we called. This is the watch that I made, or my invention, that I call this BioSync Monitor Watch. Thank you.